Hey guys, so I'm here. I'm in my unfinished robe that I made. But I have been working. Yeah, working on this dress. It's long. It's a flowy dress, but the material, it took me a while to figure out the setting under the sewing machine because it's not your typical material, so you have to have the right setting or you end up with gathering that you didn't intend on having. So right now the dress is big. It's big. This mannequin is exactly my size, and I have a lot of room, a lot of things. It's a flowy dress with, of course, a split on the side. So I have a lot of material I'm gonna have to cut off. I don't know how I got the measurements so off on this. I swear, in my mind, I always think I'm bigger than what I am. And I'm working on it. I'm working on it. But the side, of course, and the hem, I have to shorten it a bit. But it is a full length dress. I don't think I've ever made any dress this long. So that's also a first time. And the back is actually pretty good. But the front is huge on the side. So, but I'm not doing any more for the day. I did enough today. I need to stop for a minute, and tomorrow I'm going to pick it up back and do a lot of cutting to get it to look more sleek and cute. So far I did like it on me. I just feel like like the V is too high, so I need to cut the V down some more. And then the split is actually pretty good. The split is at a good spot. But yeah, that's what I've been doing, guys. I did finish the book, which I will talk about in a few. And I finished also the journal for Journal Mood, so I'm going to do the winner today and contact them and then announce it and do a TikTok to show what it looks like inside. So this is day number 5, and I love having free time now, so I can get up whatever time in the morning because I've been up since 4:30. And I also did a blog post. So I've been busy before it's even noon. It's not even 12 o'clock yet. So I've done a lot today. But this dress, I'm loving the vision of it. I just want it to, I don't want to cut it too small and then it becomes too tight. But then I'm like, we're gonna work on it. Alright guys, see you in a minute. And then I'm gonna have to clean up all this mess here. guys, so this is the junk journal. So I already selected the winner. I did the random, and which I always do, and plug in the amount of people. So the giveaway I had, you had to at least post one of the prompts. So it was pretty much an easy choice, but I was really happy the person who got it, because they've done it so many times. I've never won, and so I was happy. So there's a bunch of stuff. So I already showed you what the in week day 2, I think. Oh no, day 3. No, I think it's day 2. I show you the pouch. It's a journal move pouch that I make. I always try to put one of them in the giveaway, or a bag. I think the last person got a tote bag. This time it's just a pouch, which is gonna have other stuff in there. But there's gonna be other stuff. So when I put the box together, I'll show you. But the junk journal I made, this is a junk journal that I made, and the back. And I did a quick, I put a little clip of it, but you can go to my TikTok to see the inside of it. It's a writing journal, so there's a lot of room to write, but of course a person can use it strictly for artwork or whatever. There's quite a few craft paper that can handle paint and stuff that is used in here. And there's a lot of bookmark. So I was excited the person got it as a reader, so they can definitely use these bookmarks in their regular books, and not just keep it in here. So you can check that out to see it. So I was excited for that. So let's talk about, let me grab the book. Let's talk about Honey and Spice. It's cute. It's a cute read. It is definitely for a younger audience. It didn't feel college. It felt more high school to me, based on the things that were happening in it. It's like a watered down version of Sweatpants season. I think Daniel Allen. Forgot what the other one was. Cuff season. It's if you've read that Daniel Allen series, you know what I'm talking about. With the whole dating, young people dating, and the what men think of, you know, certain situation. A lot of heartbreak, dating benefit kind of deal. This is a fake relationship situation set up that was supposed to benefit them as far as their career academically and the career they wanted to pursue. And of course, what you expect, it is the romance aspect where they fell for each other in the midst of all of that. They had quite a few banter with each other, and there were, you know, other people involved. Again, I'm not the audience for this. I thought a lot of it was juvenile. A lot of it was for younger audience, I think, who are going through certain time of their life and they're growing. I think a younger audience would absolutely love this, would absolutely find it very interested and benefit from it, because it is interesting in terms of learning to get through things that's happened to you, as far as dating, as far as picking the wrong person, as far as making a bad decision and the consequence of it. In terms of that, that's how I will look at this. So I think, honestly, this is definitely a younger audience book that is going to appreciate this. I felt it was just, again, it felt juvenile to me, and I'm a little disappointed because I do love the short story collection that I read last year, Love in Color, but she didn't knock it out for me at all. But if you are early 20s, late teen, this is definitely your kind of book for that age group. I think will really love this book. If you're older than that, if you older than 25, no. No. But I don't even know how to give this a proper review because every time I think about certain things about it, I shake my head. But it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I'm gonna say it's cute. But it's not something that I will remember. You ask me about this book in like a month or two, I probably can't give you a whole detail of it. It's just not memorable for me. But I don't hate it. I just think I'm not the right age group for this book. I'm just being honest, guys. Don't come for me if it's your favorite. So next book I'm gonna read. Excited. Yinka, where is your husband? Someone want to read this, cause this look like my kind of mix up drama. What? I don't know look at it already. Yinka's Nigerian aunties. I'm sold. I'm sold already. I'm sold already on this one. I'm excited. This is what I'm gonna dig in, and I just know I'm gonna crack up because it just seemed like it's gonna be messy. I love Nigerian aunties. I love them. They just always give me entertainment in books. So I'm gonna be reading this next, and take a break from my dress and get back to it tomorrow. And then that's it. I'm just gonna be today's another quick one, I'm going to do a proper rest. I need a proper rest from the start of my vacation because I am still tired. So proper rest, and I'll get back into the groove, and I will start going through my bookcase and talk about some of the books I read this year and kind of do other things that I have planned that I have a list of. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Sorry guys, that book, yeah, it didn't work for me. I'm sorry. I feel bad because I really wanted to love this book, but it happens. It happens. It happens. I'm the odd one out. I'm probably the only one that didn't love it, but it is what it is. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.